Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials, confirm you can log in, and that the recovery email or phone is valid. Once done, open the app or website and go straight to Settings, then Notifications or Email Preferences. You must note the exact sender address and any active filters or rules that could intercept mail. This immediate check prevents chasing phantom issues later. Make sure to keep one tab on your inbox and another on Settings so you can toggle options while watching changes take effect. Now you modify the middle controls that usually break notifications. Disable any filters or rules that move messages out of the inbox, and add the sender to a whitelist or safe sender list so delivery isn't blocked. Next, ensure the notification channel is set to email and prioritized over less reliable channels. If push or SMS duplicates cause issues, consolidate to one primary method. Also inspect spam, quarantine, and forwarding settings. Misrouting there is often the culprit, so make targeted. Finish by verifying end-to-end delivery. Send several test emails from the same and different senders, varying the subject line, and watch where they land. If tests fail, inspect the message headers for SBF, DKIM, or DMARC failures because authentication rejections are common. Fix DNS records or relay settings accordingly. Once corrected, clear app caches, log out and back in, and retest. If problems persist, escalate to support with headers and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: always include full headers when asking for help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.